future we will hold, a brighter dawn for Africa, a story to be told. Wake up, brothers and sisters, see the power in our hands. Fight all the corruption, fight pollutions in our minds and surrounding. Educate our young